what you should see is a Nintendo logo on the board itself. So let's open the fake one up and I'll show you. And if you handle a lot of these, you can even tell by the plastic itself. The plastic has a different feel to it. So right away when you open up one of these fake ones, what you see missing right away are screws over here. That's a dead giveaway. There should be 2 screws holding this plate onto the cartridge. So let's pop this out. So another way to tell this is a fake when you open this up is the battery. This is not the way the battery would be in any of these games. And I'm not even sure if there is a battery in the original ones, but you can see that. And also look at this here. Look how dirty and gunky it is when this was made. This was not made very well. And the most important factor when you look at one of these boards, the Nintendo logo or name is nowhere to be found. So now let's open the official game from Nintendo. And once we do that, we'll talk about scrapping one of these guys. When we open it up, like I told you, 2 missing screws. And even the metal plate, if you look at it, this one has the real one has engravings. Fake one doesn't. So let's open one of these up. Let's take out this metal plate.